And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't believe the reason right.
Hello YouTube. Yeah, it's us again. Kaya here is gonna show you a whole bunch of wrenches. I'll move this way, see.
Okay, this weird wrench.
I made a wrench video, but she's gonna make one for you. So if you wanna show them some wrenches.
Look at this.
Cool, that's a homemade wrench. See, there's welding on it. See?
I made it homemade.
So I didn't make it, someone did. Wait, hold on. Put the microphone over here. You gotta talk to your audience there.
Look at these wrenches.
Whoa! See, look, watch where you put them in the camera there. Hold them up closely. Look at this one. This is cool.
Look at this one. It's cool. Look at both.
See?
Look at both. They're cool.
The queen of wrenches there.
Look at this one. So cool. This one.
Kaya is the queen of wrenches.
And this one.
Whoa!
And this one.
You gotta pile them up where you can see them, kiddo. You pile them right here. Right here might be a good idea. I think these are bicycle wrenches.
And look
These
at
ones.
this one.
This one's my favorite. This is
This one.
this one. I like this one. It's got one single wrench.
This one.
See? Awesome, huh? Everybody like this wrench video?
And look
Don't
at
forget to like and
this
subscribe.
one. And this one.
You showed them that one already.
And this one.
Hmm.
And this one.
Such a gut-wrenching experience, hey folks?
And this one.
And this one.
Hey! There's
I think there's Asa and Gayeri in there too. Look, bolts. Got lots of bolts. While she's doing that, I'm looking at bolts.
this one.
You can see that hand right
This
here.
one. And,
There's a lot of wrenches in there, kiddo.
and these two.
Wrenching experience.
These.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at this weird wrench.
Let me see.
And look at this.
Oh, that's another like bicycle kind of wrench thing.
And this one. And
Yep.
this one. And this one.
Ugh. This is
And this one. And this one. And this one. And this one. These two.
you get them all already. You're faster at this than me. Took
These
me
two.
8 minutes to go through this, or 12 minutes to go through this box. We'll be done in 4 minutes. This girl. You're
And
like the
these-
ultimate tool girl.
And these four.
Oh, those 4. Look.
And this one.
So it's got the weird one.
And this one. And this one. And this one.
Oh boy. I pity all you people watching this. Oh, what's this? Full can here.
And this one.
Cool. There's a ton of wrenches there.
And this one.
Whoa.
And this one. And this weird one.
You're almost done there. Cool.
And this,
this one.
These two.
Then this one.
And this one.
And this one.
And this one.
Don't forget this one. And this
And
one.
this one. And this one.
How are you stacking them? Hold on. Let
and
me show them how you're
this
stacking
one,
this. This is a pretty cool job stacking them, Kyle. Here,
And
folks.
this one.
Check out the fabulously stacked.
And this one.
Check out that stack there.
And this one.
This girl knows how to stack wrenches.
And this one.
Cool.
And
Oh.
this one.
That's a ring.
And this one. Oh, this one looks fun.
That's a U-joint of some sort.
That's a leg.
Yeah. Are we all done now?
And this one.
Two more.
And this one.
Yeah, that one. Look at that. Oh, oh, oh. It's like Jenga. It's going to fall.
And this one.
Oh, one more right there. On the side.
And this one.
One more. Oh, two more.
And this one.
And this one.
And this one.
Every little
And
piece.
this one.
All done?
And these two.
Yay!
Thanks
Say thanks for watching.
for watching.
Awesome. See you guys later. Weirdo.